clean after trades have finished or once the project is complete?
We strongly recommend scheduling your after renovation clean once all major trades have completed their work and the site is ready for final presentation. Why? Trades can reintroduce dust and debris if they return after cleaning. Wet paint or uncured grout may be accidentally marked or disturbed. We can only guarantee a flawless result when the space is truly done. That said, we understand that real-life renovations are messy and don't always run on schedule. We offer flexible options. Final, detail, clean once trades are finished. Stage cleaning for long projects, rough clean plus final polish. Coordination with your builder, project manager, or site supervisor. We'll advise you on the best timing for your situation so you don't waste money on cleaning too early or move back in surrounded by plaster dust.